Guys, today we're going to be unboxing this Hot Wheels 10 car pack set, and there's going to be a surprise at the end of the video, a car surprise at the end of the video, so make sure you watch until the end because the car is going to be very fantastic. And before I start this video, if you want to see more Hot Wheels videos like this one, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. So let's get started. So let's see what's in this box. I need to open this first. Okay, it's open. Let's pull this out. Wow. Let's put this right here. So let's start with the first car. So I'm going to give it all the cars. So let's check this one out. So a cool design on the top of the car, or one passenger car here. And I don't know what this is, but that kind of looks cool. The wheels are looking very cool. And this is obviously Hot Wheels and cool. Let's read the back here. Koenigsegg. I think that's what it's called, a Montrager. You guys can see, and then if I'm saying it wrong, you can say in the comments. Let's see the front of it. Cool, and the back. Now let's put this car aside. Let's start with the next car. A nice looking hot rod here. A cool bone skull. A cool bone skull. There's no glass for the windows there here. And there's this thing. These designs look very cool. And the tires are blue. Inside this, and a fire skeleton thing right here. Right here. In the back of it is very cool too. It's like some cool design. Let's check the back of it. So fantastic. Let me see the name. It's Bone Shaker. Cool. Let's put this aside. And now let's go with the Dodge Charger. A nice looking blue color here. A cool top car here. And cool white shade here. And it says Dodge right here. The wheels are pretty cool, and they're silverish. In this thing, they're silver. This is silver, and obviously the other ones are silver too. The front is very cool, and the side is too. The back is cool, and the car looks very realistic to the same car in real life. So it's obviously going to be called Dodge Challenger. Yeah, I think it's 2008 Dodge Challenger. Let's put this aside, and let's start with this next fancy car. So this is like the same as the first car we did, but like the tires are pink from here. It's spinning very fastly. The front has like a cool design, like the Bone Shaker, and these are like the Bone Shaker ones too. But like I think these are fire flames things. And a cool design right here, Hot Wheels, it says right there. And look at this, guys. This is like the same thing on the Hot Rider. Like, look, this thing. And cool orange color. And this is kind of weird, I don't know what it is. And let's see what's the name of it. So it's upside down, I think. It's Street Creeper. Cool. Street Creeper. It is a creeper. Good touch for that. Let's move on to the next car. This is like a cool Blade Runner car. This thing is kind of loose and a cool design right here. Obviously it's gonna say Hot Wheels here because they made it. I think these are stickers. And this is a cool touch right here. Let's check the front. Cool. Loosey part. The wheels are very shiny and cool. And like the back is also very cool. And let's see the back of it. It's called Cyber Speeder. Cool, that's a cool name. Let's put that aside. Let's move on to this car. It's like a Chevrolet car. Because it says Chevrolet right here, but it's a red looking car. Cool front here. And HWFO, cool. And there's this cool design over here, white. And yellow glass here. And I don't know what this is, but it looks cool. The windows are open from here, and this is fire. And this is the car thing on the behind fender. And okay, the wheels are like white, blackish white. And let's see the name of it. What's the name? 2011 Camaro TMCM. Okay. Pretty cool. I can load this car next. Oh, looks like a Batman car. There's a person sitting right there. Cool front here. And like flames, pink flames. And obviously on this side they're gonna be pink flames and grayish black tires. Back is kind of like a McLaren car. And let's see the name of it. It's Monoposto. I think that's the name of it. So let's put this aside and go to this. This looks like a classic car. Like a classic car, you know those ones. So the front is like a classic car. Like this whole thing is like a classic car. And this is like this. The wheels are a little bit in, but you guys can see that. But the wheels are not like here, but it's kind of in. And the windows are open here and here. The tires are like silverish black, a cool red black color here. And let's see the name. What's the name? I don't know is this the name? 1186 MJ? Is this the name? Okay, I don't know if that's the name, but let's just go with that name. Let's check this car. It's like a Batman car too. It's like a cool purple shade here. Oh, it says 7 or 1. Just like this looks like a 1 and this looks like a 7. Where's there? A golden black car type-ish wheels. A silver shade right here. And let's go from here. Oh, cool. And so it's kind of hard to see the name. Let me see. I don't know the name of it. It says the same name as this car next. Oh, it looks like a Batman car. There's a person sitting right there. Cool front here. And like flames, pink flames. And obviously on this side they're gonna be pink flames and grayish black tires. Back is kind of like a McLaren car. And let's see the name of it. It's Monoposto. I think that's the name of it. So let's put this aside and go to this. This looks like a classic car. Like a classic car, you know those ones. So the front is like a classic car. Like this whole thing is like a classic car. And this is like this. The wheels are a little bit in, but you guys can see that. But the wheels are not like here, but it's kind of in. And the windows are open here and here. The tires are like silverish black, a cool red black color here. And let's see the name. What's the name? I don't know is this the name? 1186 MJ? Is this the name? Okay, I don't know if that's the name, but let's just go with that name. Let's check this car. It's like a Batman car too. It's like a cool purple shade here. Oh, it says 7 or 1. Just like this looks like a 1 and this looks like a 7 Hot Wheels there. A golden black car type-ish wheels. A silver shade right here. And let's go from here. Oh, cool. And so it's kind of hard to see the name. Let me see. I don't know the name of it. It said the same name as the. So now let's start with the best car in the pack. This is a Koenigsegg Jesko 2020. It's a new model of the Koenigsegg. So the color is gray. The front is very cool. And the side is the same. It's a very cool design. And I forgot to mention that there's a cool green part here. And the same as there. And now the back is very cool too. And one flying thing is here. Okay, now let's go to the back. The back is very smooth. This is like the smoothest back ever. So, and if you forgot the name of it, it's Koenigsegg Jesko 2020. Let me show you guys. We'll check the front again. So this is the surprising car. Are you ready for it? Let's do this. Wow. So it's from the Forza Motorsport. You may know that game. It looks very cool. The car looks very cool. And it says 2015 Land Rover Defender double cab. And let's open it. Oh God. Wow. Wow, this is a cool looking off-road car. So this is Forza Motorsport right there. A cool white color there and light blue and black colors right there. And the front is very cool. It's very cool. It's like an off-road front. Okay, let's check this side. It's the same as the other. The back is very cool. The trunk, in real life there has to be a lot of space to put stuff. Let's check the wheels. The wheels are very cool. They're very realistic, like the real type, and they're very. So this is very cool. The wheels are very cool too. Let's check the back. This is kinda rough. The back is kinda rough. Let's put it like this so you guys can see the front. Wow, it says Xbox right here. Cool. And there's Forza right here. So this is it, guys. We've looked at every car in today's video. I hope you liked it. So subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Bye.